How to add multiple hairs on your Roblox avatar. Now you can do this on both computer and also mobile. So first just head over to the Roblox website. Once you're logged into your account, you can then click on avatar from the left hand side. Now scroll across the left hand navigation and click on accessories. You can then press head. Now once you're on this page, click on the advanced tab and you'll see the option for asset ID numbers. Now what you need to do is enter the number of every hat that you want to add to your Roblox avatar. So as you can see, you can add as many different head accessories as you want. Now in order to find the number of the hair that you want to add, you can just open up a new tab in Roblox and come over to avatar. You can then right click on the hair that you want to add and press open in new tab. Now once you're on this page, if you come up to the address bar, you'll see these series of numbers. So if you go and select the numbers and right click, you can press copy. You can then go and add these numbers to the different asset ID numbers. Now once you've added all your different hairs, press save and press save again. Now if you come back over to your avatar, you can now see we are wearing multiple hairs.